So now we discussed this events of fertilization. What are the events that takes place in the fertilization? The first one. So first one, you see that for this, the first step, the sperm is entry into the it can be comes in contact with the ovum and the sperm. It is comes in contact. It is comes in contact is the first step. That first step, that the agrosome it will be released. The agrosome it will be released some of this enzyme that is called the chirolinase enzyme. It penetrate. It will be penetrate one. So next one, that is that chirolinase enzyme. So that is the zona pellucida. Zona pellucida it will be enter. The egg plasmas are here. Second stage. Okay, the follicle cells it will be enter into this zona pellucida. So next zona pellucida, the sperm nucleus it will be released. The sperm nucleus it will be released. Okay, so that thus agrosome reaction is takes place. So the chirolinase enzyme, so that is it will be released. So next one, breakdown of the zona pellucida. Breakdown of the zona pellucida, the sperm is reached to plasma membrane. The sperm is reached to plasma membrane. This one it is plasma membrane. This one it is plasma membrane. They reach into plasma membrane. So next one it is fourth stage. So the fourth stage, so the cortical granules. Fourth stage, what will happen? The nucleus and other components sperm enter into the egg. It will be enter into the egg cortical granules to form this one layer. Cortical granules, that is called this one form for this one layer. So that is called this fertilization membrane. That is called fertilization membrane. It will be polyspermy. It will be avoided. They understand? The sperm first migrates through this that coat of this follicle cells. That is called three layers. Three layers, zona pellucida, zona radiata and vitelline membrane. First it will be released for that thus in the sperm nucleus. The sperm nucleus enter into this cytoplasm. So and there's the cortical cells are formed. The cortical granules are formed. Why it is a cortical granules are formed? So it will save for that in the egg. So at the same time polyspermy it will be avoided. So that leads to this called this implantation or pregnancy. Implantation of the pregnancy. So next it will be discussed in this ectopic pregnancy. Ectopic pregnancy means implanted outside the uterus. Outside the uterus. It results in ectopic pregnancy. So 95% ectopic pregnancy is here in the fallopian tube. So the growth of embryo may cause internal bleeding. So infection in some cases even death to the rupture of fallopian tubes. So this one it is called the from the zygote passage of growing embryo through the fallopian tube. So the first one it is called the zygote is formed. So it is a 2-celled stage. Next 4-celled stage, morula stages here. So cystin cells that is called this morula stage. Early blastocysts are here. To form it can be implanted for that thus only in the fallopian tube. Series of events takes place in that thus fallopian tubes. Next it will be implant in the uterus. So uterus that is called as blastocyst. That is called as blastocyst. The growth of embryo may cause internal bleeding, infection, some cases or even death due to the rupture of fallopian tube. So all the processes takes place. It will suppose it will be grow into the embryo in the only fallopian tubes. Then the fallopian tube it will be ruptured. So the mother will be dead. So next we discussed about the monozygotic twins. So monozygotic twins means the single egg. The single fertilized egg can be split into during the first cleavage. The same sex organs of the same sex look like a share of same gametes. Okay, that is called this monozygotic twins. Monozygotic twins means identical twins are here. Identical twins are here. That is that monozygotic twins. Monozygotic means twins are produced when a single fertilized egg splits into two during the first cleavage. They are
same sex look alike for the seeing the same genes. So next one it is dikaryotes. The dizygotic means the genes are two separate eggs, two separate sperms. That is called the dizygotic twins. Same sex or different sex or non-identical. Siamese means conjoined twins who are joined during the birth. So I understand. So next one is the maintenance of pregnancy and embryonic development. So there is the blastra stages are here. The blastra having for this two layers. After the implantation, two layers are here. That is that embryonic endoderm, hypoblast or embryonic endoderm. So epiblast and hypoblastos are here. So we discussed afterwards the maintenance of pregnancy and embryonic development.